Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your places. Today again we will do chapter 8 motion. In our last lecture we have read about displacement and distance. Do you remember what is distance? Yes, actual path covered by a body. And what is displacement? Yes, the shortest distance or shortest path covered by a body. Now today we will start with scalar quantity and vector quantity. Scalar quantity has only magnitude and vector quantity has magnitude plus direction. Only magnitude means only numeric value is there with SI units, and in vector quantity magnitude plus direction, like with numeric value there is a direction mentioned. For example, if we say 10 meter, here only magnitude is there 10, and if we say 10 meter towards east, now this become 10 meter toward east, this become vector quantity because with magnitude direction is also mentioned. So this is the only difference between scalar quantity and vector quantity. All of you know about SI units. SI unit for distance is meter and for displacement is also meter, and distance is denoted by S, small s. Displacement is also denoted by small s. Today we will read a new topic, speed. How we measure the motion basically. We can measure the motion of an object with the help of new quantity, that is speed. Now how we can define speed? Distance covered by an object per unit time is known as speed. Again I am repeating, distance covered by an object per unit time is known as speed, and speed is denoted by v, small v. Distance is denoted by s, time is denoted by t. Beta, keep in mind this thing that distance is s and speed is denoted by v. Don't mix it with के स्पीड है तो एस से डिनोट होगा. नो, एस से डिनोट होता है हमारा डिस्टेंस और स्पीड हमारी डिनोट होती है वी से. And speed is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it do not have any direction, only magnitude is there. And if we talk about its SI unit, it is meter per second. रट्टा नहीं लगाना. See how we can derive it. डिस्टेंस की यूनिट्स होती हैं मीटर and for time taken it is seconds. So meter upon second. SI unit for speed is meter per second. You can write like this also and you can write like this also. This is also correct, meter per second. Now we have two type of speed, uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Uniform speed क्या है बेटा? When an object move with the same speed, that is known as uniform speed. Same speed means if an object is moving with 50 km per hour, with a speed of 50 km per hour, continuously it is moving with 50 km per hour, that is considered as uniform speed. And non-uniform speed, when a vehicle is moving or object is moving firstly with 50 km per hour, then 30 km per hour, then again 50 km per hour, then 25. तो here speed is variable, change हो रही है speed आपकी, कभी कम हो रही है कभी ज़्यादा हो रही है. That type of speed is known as non-uniform speed. And third is average speed. एवरेज स्पीड के अंदर क्या है, अभी हमने बात किया कि कभी 30 है, कभी 40 है, कभी 50 है। जब उस जितना भी टोटल डिस्टेंस हमने कवर किया है और टोटल टाइम कितना लगा है, उनको जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो वी विल गेट एवरेज स्पीड। देन वी हैव वेलोसिटी। बेसिकली वेलोसिटी क्या है, स्पीड विद डायरेक्शन। नाउ हियर डायरेक्शन इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। इज इट क्लियर? All the things are same as speed. It is denoted with v only. If the velocity of object is changing at a uniform rate, then average velocity is u plus v over 2. Now what is u here and v here? U is considered as initial velocity and v is considered as final velocity. Initial and final, initial mean at starting and final means at the final point. तो आपकी इनिशियल पॉइंट पे कितनी वेलोसिटी थी, फाइनल पॉइंट पे कितनी वेलोसिटी थी, इसको किससे डिवाइड करना है, 2 से। Whenever you solve the numericals, keep this thing in mind that average speed is calculated by the formula total distance covered over total time taken, and average velocity, it is always, we always use the formula u plus v over 2. And SI unit is same, meter per second. You can write like this also and this also, both are same. If we talk about odometer, have you seen odometers? Yes, in our vehicles odometer and speedometers are there. Odometer, it measures the distance covered by an object, and speedometers, it measures the speed of the object or vehicle. So beta, I think all the points are clear. Numericals we will do in next topic. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.